Hey friends, welcome back to my channel The Nature and the Wild. So as you see, I'm standing in the middle of a forest, and this is somewhere in the west of Netherlands, and this place name is Spelo. And this forest is very big, and a lot of different kind of animals, mammals, and different kind of birds. So what I did together with my friend today, I booked a cabin inside, and we're gonna sit in that cabin and going to take pictures of different birds. Most of them, if I say green woodpecker, black woodpecker, weasel, so that's gonna be a very interesting day, guys. Stay tuned with me. I will give you a nice tour, show you how to set up the place, where we're gonna see to take those pictures. So stay tuned with me. Thanks a lot. So guys, we are walking towards the cabin. You can see it's a narrow street, and I hope the cabin is this way or this way. Already see the birds are moving. Let me show you. It took some time to find it out. You see, need to go here. So the whole place is here. So close, everything. So close. So the setting is very close and everything is nearby. You see? Yeah. The setting is so nice, huh? Everything is so close here. And I already see the birds are here and there, moving and creeping. I can give you a small look maybe. Let's go. Let's go inside the hide. This is the hide. You wait there. You go inside, I'm coming. Yeah. This is the hide. So okay guys, I will give you a nice tour a little bit later because I need to set that place up. We are going inside to see the cabin. You can see my friend is already moving there. The door is open. So guys, we're going to now set up this whole place, and then we'll see how does it look. So there is a, let me take it out. Rest we'll do from that side, huh? Okay? Okay. Here is the oasis. Clean it and put some food. Let's see. He said there is food. Don't put so close, huh? You cannot picture there. Put it maybe here. Open the nut, hide them inside. Okay? Like inside the moss, like hide it. So guys, you can see we are setting up the space right now. This looks pretty good, putting the bird foods everywhere. And because we need to feed it again after. So all the porches are there. foods here. Nice. Oh, net is off. Cool. Alright, so we are going in. We'll let the birds populate. Let them come here, and you can see already inside. It's pretty good. So let me give you an inside view. We're gonna set it up here, our tripod and all the stuff. My friend is cleaning the window nicely. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Stay tuned with us, guys. Hey guys, so it's been almost now 2 hours. We are here since we set up the whole space, and me and my friend Nazir is consistently waiting for the bird we came here to see. But so far what we have seen, some woodpecker, the common woodpecker, or also known as the sorry for my voice, it's just trembling. So it's also known as the crude woodpecker, right? The great woodpecker. Plenty of them in this forest. Flycatcher. Then we have the great tit and Eurasian jay, and we saw robin, but it's a baby robin, and hawfinch, a lot of hawfinch, and yellowfink, So, but these birds are very common here, and you can find it almost every forest in Netherlands. Now, what is special and mostly not widely spread everywhere? The experience is good. We got a couple of nice birds. So you can see my friend Nazir is here. Nazir, how's your experience today? What do you want to tell something to our viewers?
It's first height for me, and this guy, Samit, he done a lot of good work. So he bring me here, and it's a nice experience. We can come back for more rides in future. Yeah.
Yeah, and how do you like it so far? I mean, going out in the forest on your own.
Already flattened with that woodpeckers. Still, we are waiting for that black and the green. So hopefully we will get it.
Yeah, and normally when we go in the forest and we have to find all the birds ourselves, but here in the hide they normally comes to you. So this is really fascinating, right?
Yeah, it's really close to the bird. Yeah, but the thing is, more nature.
More nature. Yeah. Of course, when you go in the forest yourself, and that's more nature kind of adventure, and you have to look for everything yourself, and that is another level of adventure. But when you're sitting inside a hide and everything comes to you, it's like ready to cook it. But that's also better sometime.
Ready for that, right?
Yeah, and that's also better sometime, Nazir, when the weather is not so good for you, huh? Yeah, but the shooting conditions are not very good today. We are reaching sometime the ISO 7000. I have been reaching the ISO 64, 7000 sometime, and that's really
Lot of work
makes me crazy. So there are a lot of work with the post processing, guys. Friends, so this is the end of today. So I will make the video and put everything inside. A lot of birds we have seen, and as I just mentioned before, different kind of birds. So I will put all the pictures after post processed. So you guys like, share and subscribe my channel, and let me know what you guys want to know in the next episode. I will make a video for you guys. Thanks a lot.